Hello and welcome to this video. So today we are going to understand the importance of equipment BOM in the SAP and in maintenance planning. Okay. So equipment BOM is the structured list of components or spare part which is created and it is assigned to a particular equipment system. Okay. Okay. So let us jump in the SAP system, and first we will generate the list of equipment. So T code for generating list of equipment IS08, and we will come to the bottom and we will just give plant code to this location data and just execute it. Okay, so we have these equipment installed in 1806 plant. Okay, this is how we can check the list of equipment. I will press Control and N, so a new window will start. Okay, and I will execute MB52 and plant I will choose 1806, and my brought out store TT10. So TT10 I have executed it, and I will just apply the layout. Okay, so that it would be easy to identify the material with description. Okay, so these are the different material which I have created in the SAP system. Okay, so we will come back, and in the material type I will press ERSA. So ERSA is the material type for the spare part. Okay, so we have these spare part available in the system. Okay, and we have this servo feeder for strip feeding. Okay, so we will take this equipment, and we are going to make the equipment BOM for this particular material, and these are the material which are available in the system, which I have already created the material master, and I will create the equipment BOM of these item for this particular equipment. Okay, Control N again, new window will pop up. IB01 IB01 equipment BOM create. Okay, I will add it to the favorite IB01. Okay, create equipment BOM. I will press Ctrl Shift F4 to add IB02, change the equipment BOM, and IB03, display the equipment BOM. Okay, and this equipment BOM is the master data. Okay, so in your organization maybe this IB01 and 02 will not be authorized for the everyone. So the user which is responsible to create the master data, so this IB01 and IB02, this will be authorized for the those user who are responsible to create the master data, and this IB03, so this will be authorized for the end user, so which are uh, performing the transactional data, so this IB03 will be authorized to them. Okay, depend upon the need of your organization, so these role will be set up by your organization. So I will double click on IB01, and I will start creating the equipment BOM. I will take the equipment number from here, Control Y, Control C, paste it, and this equipment usage I will take as plant maintenance. So this is 4. So this is BOM usage for the plant maintenance, and I will hit enter. Okay, so these are the screen. Okay, and I will just go to the material. I will press Ctrl Y and copy all the material. Okay, so I have taken this material, and one important, this item category. Okay, So I got appeared recently in the interview for the SAP EM. So this question was asked there. So in the equipment BOM, what is the item category? Okay. So this item category is L. Okay. So L is for the stock item. So this is really important from the point of view of the interview also. So you will maintain L. L stand for the stock item. Okay, and you will mention the quantity, how many number of this particular quantity is installed in the machine. Okay, so we will check this spare. So these are the bearing. Okay, so I will take as two bearing per machine. These are installed. Mechanical seal I will take four mechanical seal are installed, and V belt I will take as 2. Okay, hit enter. Okay, if there is any error, so error will appear, and we are good to save it. Okay, when we will save it, so it will create the equipment BOM. Okay, so this BOM is created for the equipment. Okay, and I will just copy this equipment number. And if you are doing your daily transaction, and if you need to check a particular BOM for a equipment, so you will just go IB03 and enter. Okay, so this list will be saved for a lifetime. So you will save a lot of time by creating the equipment BOM. Okay, I will go to the whole structure IS01, and in IS01 I will give my superior function location, and I will uh, check this BOM explosion and equipment installed. Okay, and I will execute it TTRL and expand the whole. Okay, it will take a lot of time, and you can see the my equipment BOM is also visible uh, in this structure also. Okay, so for this particular material I have these equipment BOM created. Okay, so for this servo feeder for strip feeding, so I have bearing mechanical seal V belt. Okay, so this is how we can use. Okay, and during the creation of order, you can also take the reference of this equipment BOM. I will try to create one order type which I have configured. I will try to create PM01 and check it. Okay, it will taking some time. Wait for some time. Okay, and if I will go to this component, maintenance work center. Maintenance work center, I will search 1806. 1806 is my plant, and I will take this. Okay, control key PM01. Okay, I will enter the equipment first. Okay, I will give my maintenance plant, and this feedings for this feeding strip we have created the equipment BOM, and then I will go to the component and I will hit the list. Okay, so from here you can also see my equipment BOM is appearing here. Okay, so from here also you can take the material directly to your order. Okay, so this equipment BOM can be time saving for you, and you can do a lot of uh, productive work from creating this equipment BOM. Okay, I hope you like the video and you understand the importance of equipment bomb. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friend who are doing the preparation of SAP EM, and also support me. Thank you.